welcome to another MASC Minute. Jamie at shopmasc.com here. So Hanz De Fuko, which is a brand primarily known for its hair care products, that's based out of California, recently introduced some face products. So one is a face wash, the other one is a shave cream. So the face wash is what they call it is a gentle face wash. So it is a lathering wash, does lather up with water. Lots of powerful ingredients in it, lots of plant-based ingredients like all of their hair products too. So those are going to help to nourish the skin. And it is super gentle too. I tried this wash, I actually really like it. Very mild, but it does a good job of cleaning the skin without making your skin feel dry or tight afterwards, and smells amazing too. So if you're a big fan of Hanz De Fuko, which a lot of people are, then maybe you should try their face wash too. And then the shave cream is called Invisible Shave Cream. So it's not invisible when you pump it out because you can see it, but once it goes on your face, it sort of just disappears as like a moisturizer would essentially. So it is a foamless cream, doesn't lather up at all, which is the idea, but it's intended to soften the facial hair. Also helps to cut down razor bumps, ingrowns. This would be good for someone who has maybe like a beard or a mustache or something, and they need to see the edge where they're shaving. Minty, rum, and vanilla is the scent, so it smells pretty good. I think I like the face wash more scent-wise, but the shaving cream is great too. And yeah, so check them out, shopmasc.com. And if you haven't tried their hair products, they're definitely worth checking out as well. Thanks for listening.